The BlackMagic 4K Pocket Kit just got an upgrade. As noted in the tutorials and tips video, battery life with the LP E6 batteries is manageable, but can be rather short and unpredictable. To aid in the stress of unreliable battery power, we have now included an edge power base in every BlackMagic 4K kit. The power base has three main parts: the battery base, a dummy battery, and an AC plug. It is not guaranteed that these battery packs will be fully charged for every checkout, so make sure you use the AC plug to charge the battery well before your shoot. The button next to the screen will show an estimate of the charge and remaining battery life. Once charged, remove the plate of the power base by pressing down on the switch beside the LED screen, and slide the plate towards the switch to allow it to pop out. Attach this plate knowing the battery side of your camera will need to be closest to the LED side of the power base. Now you'll need to remove the battery door on the camera. On the inside of the battery door, gently pull the small lever and slide the door out. Place the door in a safe place within the camera case or pouches on the bag. You will need to replace this when you are finished with your shoot. With the door removed, you can attach the camera to the power base, slide the dummy battery into the camera, plug the other end into the power base near the barcode, and then you're able to fasten the tripod plate on the very bottom. Just like that, the BlackMagic will have a much more reliable battery source. When your shoot is finished, be sure to replace the battery plate to the power base. When replacing the battery door, be aware of the small holes that the door will slide into. While pressing down on the lever, place the one remaining peg into one of the holes and allow the other end to click into place. The door should be able to close smoothly. Hopefully this eliminates some frustration when working with the BlackMagic 4K Pocket Cinema Camera Kit.